What's new at GoLinks? March. First up, multi-links. Launch multiple GoLinks at once. Start your day even faster with one shortcut to all your essential apps. With multi-links, a single GoLink redirects to several destination URLs, and then opens them in separate tabs. For example, Go/Monday would open up my calendar, Notion, Jira, and email all at once. Next up, Geo-Links. Localize GoLinks by geography. Rest easy knowing your international team will get to the right resource with Geo-Links. Create one universal GoLink and localize the destination URLs by country. It'll automatically redirect based on where employees are working.